You don't know where it's coming from, but there's you're going to go to check it again. That's only at the settings that we have in, that are left in there. Because if you noticed, I think it was moving.
So that's 500 millimetres a minute.
That's what I told you, but our settings maybe not quite right.
Okay.
No, it's going to be about half that, I think.
It's interesting, this axis is a lot quieter than the Y, isn't it?
Oh no, hang on, this is half a minute coming up. It might be okay.
We've gone 209, 300, just past 300.
So this is the maximum that we can expect, or likely to expect to be able to feed
400.
when we're cutting.
450, 70, 80, 90, 100, 500. Yeah, that's 500.
That's a minute. Yes, that's right. Yep. Incidentally, the axes are positive and negative are like normal Cartesian coordinates. So pluses to the right, minuses to the left.